Hello, we are GoPokes Rural Transportation Service. GoPokes Rural Transportation Service provides accessible, affordable transportation to underserved areas. Our service reduces costs and builds strong customer relationships by employing drivers who live in or near the community, using personal vehicles rather than a company-maintained fleet. Our unique ride share and scheduling tool allows customers to book a single fare ride or to maintain an advanced calendar of rides to meet their regularly planned transportation needs. Our Hitchhiker app makes it easy for customers to book a ride and for drivers to coordinate schedules for shared rides. Rural areas are vastly underserved with few transportation options. Many adults live with low vision or other physical disabilities that prevent them from driving. Low-income families may not have access to reliable personal vehicles, or they may have to share one vehicle between two or more adults. Although sparsely populated, rural areas are large and leave few necessary service locations such as employers, grocery stores, doctors' offices, churches, and community centers within walking distance. Bringing an affordable transportation service to small towns and rural areas will have a broader positive impact on the local economy and community. Providing reliable and flexible transportation options will better enable people who live in these communities to maintain employment, pursue educational opportunities, shop locally, attend to health and wellness needs, and stay socially active within their communities. Our service carves out a unique niche in the industry by operating in underserved areas and promoting our services to agencies and community organizations that work with elderly, vision impaired people, or anyone looking to go green and save on gas. We serve the special needs transportation service segment, and we offer custom routes like taxi operators. The model we propose is similar to that used by Uber and Lyft, whereby we do not maintain a company-owned fleet of vehicles, but with the integration of ride sharing to reduce per ride costs to our customers. GoPokes Rural Transportation Service also transects the segments of the transportation industry served by public mass transit and private shuttle operators. The taxi and limousine services industry experienced steady growth over the past 5 years. They are expected to record an average annual growth of 4.1% through 2015. The industry revenue is projected to grow at an average annual rate of 1.7% to $17.4 billion over the next 5 years. The rise of transport network companies such as Lyft and Uber has been a major trend over the past 5 years. New mobile transportation apps have enticed a growing number of owner-operators to enter the industry. They are specifically drawn to the flexibility in deciding how many hours to work and where to operate. Over the next 5 years to 2020, the number of industry enterprises is expected to climb 5% per year on average to 234,038. The key success factors for GoPokes Rural Transportation Service are to have flexibility in operations. Successful operators are able to change the focus of their services as required, and our transportation model allows our companies to respond quickly to customers' needs. We also must comply with government regulations. GoPokes Rural Transportation Service is aware of the difficulty in aligning this new model of transportation service with the existing regulations. We are prepared to work closely with state and local governments and competitors facing the same regulatory issues to manage compliance. GoPokes Rural Transportation Service must also have the ability to pass on cost increases. By integrating ride sharing into our transportation model, our service reduces the overall fuel cost per customer that must either be passed on or absorbed in order to remain profitable. Our app-based service enables dynamic responses to market conditions. We can easily offer special pricing or increase promotion of the ride-sharing feature to counter spiking fuel prices. Our company must also have effective quality control. Drivers and vehicles will meet high standards. Our app-based model facilitates communications with customers, who are encouraged to rate and comment on drivers and service. Our company values and will closely monitor customer feedback. GoPokes Rural Transportation Service must have access to secure revenue. Promoting our service to customers who need transportation on a regular basis and encouraging them to schedule regular, repeating rides builds a steady revenue stream, engages customers, and builds brand loyalty. Our mobile payment app facilitates revenue collection. Our chief competition likely will come from Uber or Lyft. Both services are rolling out updates to their apps that allow drivers to enter a current route and see ride requests they could pick up along the way. Uber sees this as a potential draw to get more part-time drivers involved with their program, and they are testing the new app in San Francisco with hopes of rolling it out to other locations in the near future. However, both Uber and Lyft services are concentrated in metropolitan areas. This leaves a large, dispersed geographic area of the United States unserved. Around 16% of the United States population lives in smaller towns or rural areas. This is our target group, and they are not served by our competitors.